are you all? Well, today's video I'm just going to repot or replant actually a tomato that I grew from a sucker. And I was just on Bland's Promised Land Ranches premiere, and Monica and Eric were saying I should do some more gardening videos, so of course here we are. And I did do tree suckers, or I planted 3 suckers. Only one grew, but we'll go and we'll put him into the ground and hopefully he grows nicely. So please just stay tuned and I'll get set up and start planting these. So we have the spot here where I think I'll plant my tomatoes. So first up I'll just move this rock here and I'll dig a bit of a hole. Oh my, this soil, it's quite dry here, so I think I'll fill the hole up with some water first. Oh, I could have turned the water on a bit harder, couldn't I? But anyways, never mind about that. And filling this up and letting it soak in a bit will make sure that my tomato doesn't dry out too much. So, hole nearly filled with water. I'll go and turn it off and let it soak in. It may take about 5 or 10 minutes just for everything to soak in. So 5 minutes later, water's soaked down. I have here a little bit of potting mix. I'm just going to pour a little bit in the bottom of the hole. Oh yes, a nice lot of roots coming. And pouring in a little bit more potting mix. As this tomato is used to the potting mix, so I don't want it to get shocked. And tamping it in, and I'll take off this bottom leaf here. And just put some soil back around, and I'll give this a real good water in. And this soil's so dry that it is repelling the water. So I'll come back in about 30 minutes and I'll give it another watering. And in a day's time I'll fertilise this, and I'll put a soda bottle full of water next to it, which I'll fill up every morning, the same as these other tomato plants that I have growing. And I see there's a couple of little tomatoes on this one. And aren't they growing nicely? So we'll have a little look around the rest of the garden as well. So I have my basil growing here, and this is quite a nice patch. And I take a little bit off from the tops every week or so. So I have my other herb patch here. I have some lavender, some mint, more basil, and my parsley. Here I have my strawberries, and it's flowering again and looks like it'll have another crop, so that's really good news. So I have here my taters growing. I planted some potatoes that were starting to sprout. Workmen come and broke some off, unfortunately, but they do seem to be really growing well here in this soil, so I'll plant more of these next year. So we'll have a bit of a look at the big tree here, and it got cut back pretty hard in the winter, but there's heaps of bigs coming. So hopefully, all being well, I'll get a good harvest here. Fingers crossed. So if you've watched this little video through to the very end, I thank you and I appreciate you so much. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and please do smash that little bell and choose all alerts so that you get alerts to all my videos. If you are subscribed to my channel, please do consider becoming a member, and memberships start at $1.99 US per month. Also, please check out my merchandise store. Links down below, and there is a store tab on my channel as well, and there's a 10% off sale during the month of February. Anyways, we're going to call it a day here, so take care, God bless, and until next time, bye bye. And of course I'm wearing Land's Promised Land bloody bike riders. Dear viewer, if you love my channel and wish to support my ability to keep creating content, please consider becoming a member of my channel. As a member, badges will be displayed next to your name in live chats and on comments, and also you shall have access to exclusive content. Thank you so much. Dear viewers and fans of my channel, Arielle-Viking Venturer N Victuals, if you love my channel and wish to support me, please check out my merchandise, as I've recently opened a merchandise store on Teespring. Links are in the cards and the end screen, as well as being included in the description of this video. Thank you! So I'll ask you all, please do watch my videos through to the very end. Please do share my videos amongst all your friends and help my channel to grow. Also, in suggested videos after watching one of my videos, please click on one of my video links so that my video is suggested and helps my channel climb up higher in the search rankings. Thank you so much, and I love you all. For where two or three are gathered together in my name, there am I in the midst of them. Well, let's all get outdoors more and enjoy nature and take care of our environment. May my dream of moving to America come true. May the land of the free remain forever free. God bless America.